Next one is what? Keywords, right? What is a keyword, sir? Keyword means, observe, keyword means what? Keywords are predefined words, guys. Keywords are the predefined words, means already available. Just remember, keywords are what? Predefined words are already available. We are going to use. Okay. So keywords are predefined words. Remember, guys, each and every keyword has special meaning, guys. Each and every keyword has a special meaning. In Java, totally we have 54 keywords, guys. Observe. In Java, we have 54 keywords. Each and every keyword has a special meaning, guys. Means for every word has performed some operation, guys. Each and every word performs some operation, guys. So keyword is what? Predefined word. Who provided? Java provided. Who will use? Programmer has to use it. Programmer has to use it. Java provided 54 keywords for some purpose. Purpose is also available. Java provided 54 keywords for some purpose. As a Java developer, what we have to do? We have to use those keywords. Sir, what are the 54 keywords? I may need to remember all the keywords. You no need to remember all the keywords, guys, but have a look it. Just have a look, that's it. I may need to mug up. You are not here to mug up the things, guys. You are here to learn the subject. Okay, what are the 54 keywords? The 54 keywords I'm dividing into different parts, guys. Package level keywords, package import, it is package level keywords. Class level keywords, class interface enum, class interface enum. These three are called as in class level keywords. Data types keywords, byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, void. All are small letters, observe, guys. And new is one keyword. Memory allocation purpose new. Control flow statement wise. If, else, switch, case, default, while, do, for, break, continue, return, private, protected, public, static, final, abstract, native. Guys, I think is the visible, the screen is visible, right, everyone? These all are what, guys? Different types of keyword. But remember, all the keywords are in what? All the keywords in what? Small letters only, guys. Okay, static, final, abstract, native, transient, okay, volatile, synchronized, okay, strict FP, extends, implements, this, super, instance of, throw, strike, catch, finally, assert. So go to constant, underscore, true, false, true, false, null. Guys, actually this true and false are also called as what? Values, right? And null is also one type of value. If nothing is there, no value, that indicates that null, guys. Remember, if you want to inform that there is no value in that one, we have to use null. These all are the 54 literals we have, guys. These all are 54. Sorry, I may need to remember all these 54. Not at all. No need to remember, no need to mug up. No need to mug up these 54 keywords, guys. What do we have to do? Slowly, whenever we are going to learn new Java, step by step, we are going to use. In coming classes, data type we are going to use. At that time, you are going to learn data type related keywords. In the further classes, we are going to use classes, then class related. In the further classes, package related. Control statement and control statement related. Like one by one, we are going to learn along with our subject. Don't mug up. You are not here to mug up. Okay. So totally how many guys? Totally we have 54 keywords are available. Each and every keyword has a special meaning. Remember, each and every keyword has a special meaning. Whatever the purpose we have, now guys, now is it audible? Yes, fine, good, fine, good. Now check guys. So in the same way, identifier means what? So in order to develop programs, your job, what they are doing, yes, we have to decide some names, guys. We have to give some names. Those names are nothing but identifiers, guys. Also called as in what? Identifiers are nothing but user defined words. Identifiers are nothing but user defined words based on the requirement. So yes, we are declaring, we are using some names. Those names are called as an identifier names, guys. But remember here, what is the purpose, sir? Identifiers. Identifiers are the names which is used to identify, variables, methods, classes, objects, packages, interfaces, and packages. Yes, whenever we are doing programming, whenever you are developing Java programming, yes, we have what? Variables, methods, classes, objects, interfaces, and packages. These all are available in our programming, guys. Okay, these all are available in our programming, guys. So what are available, guys? So we have Sai Priya, are you following the classes or pinging the questions? Are you following the class or not? Guys, anyone is having any other question? At the end, I will give that time. At that time, only ping me. In middle, if you ping any other questions, I will remove from the meeting, guys. Session is going on. Without listening the session, you are pinging the questions. Immediately, I will remove from the meeting. First, follow the session. Once concept is completed, I'll give the time, ask the questions regarding the subject, then I will give the answer. After that, I'll give the time, then ping me any other questions out of the subject questions. Okay, this is the flow, guys. Don't disturb the flow. Okay, yeah, I think you are very good students, guys. You never disturb me and you never disturb yourself also. You are very good students. That Venkatesh star students means already you are a clever student, brilliant students. Fine, good. So identifiers are the names which is used to identify variables, methods, classes, objects, interfaces and packages. To identify that, we are going to give some names, guys. For example, let us observe, guys. I am writing on two classes. Yes, observe, I'm writing two classes here. One class is class. So here I'm writing some code. Here I'm writing some code. This is one class, guys. This is one class. In the same way, what I'm doing, in the same way I'm writing one more class. In the same way I'm writing one more class. This is my first class, class 1. This is my another class, class 2. Guys, in these two classes, one class will perform some class. Two classes are available, right? In these two classes, one class is performing what? Book item or book ticket. In this one class, which class I don't know, one class will perform book ticket and the class will perform cancel ticket operation, guys. Book ticket, cancel ticket operation. Guys, tell me which class is performing book ticket operation? By seeing these two classes, tell me which class is performing book ticket operation? Dattatreya, how you can say first class only? Why not second class? Is it possible to say? Here the information is sufficient to inform, to say which class is book ticket, which class is cancel ticket. So what I have to do? Sir, here which class I can't identify which class is book the ticket, which class is the cancel ticket. That's what I'm going to do. I'm giving some names. Here I'm giving cancel ticket. Here I'm giving some name cancel ticket. Here I'm giving some name book ticket. Guys, observe now which class is booking ticket. The second one. Now it is easy. So this name is nothing but what? Identifier. This name is nothing but identifier. This name is nothing but identifier. Identifier given to whom, guys? Identifier given to whom? Identifier given to whom? Class, right? Guys, book ticket is given to book ticket, one name given to class. Book ticket is one name given to class. That's why this name is called as an. That's why this is called as what, guys? That's why this is called as an class name. This is called as what? Class name. Identifier only, identifier name only. So given to class, that's why it is called as a class name. The names given to here, the name given to class, that's why it is called as a class name. Identifier only, if the identifier given to method, method name. If the identifier given to class, class name. If the identifier given to object, object name. If the identifier given to interface, interface name. Identifier given to package, package name. Identifier given to variable, variable name. Identifier only for which purpose you are giving. Based on that we decided that what type of that class, variable, class name, variable, class, method name, object name, interface, all those things. Here identifier, our target is what? This identifier. Sir, am I need to take book ticket like this only? B small letter, is it possible? Or T small letter, is it possible? In between book ticket I mention underscore, is it okay or not? Why I have to take like this only? Am I able to take any other name? Yes, you can take any name, guys, no problem at all. Remember, yes, you can take any name, no problem at all. Everyone observe, guys, you can take any name, no problem at all. You can take any name, no problem at all. But we have to follow some rules. We have to follow some rules. You can take any names, no problem at all, but we have to follow some rules. What are the rules? In the sense, the first rule is, the first rule is it doesn't accept spaces. Means no space in your names, guys. In your name, if you have a spacer, it is not accepted. In your name, if you have a spacer, then it is not accepted, guys. That is the first rule, remember. No space in your name. For example, same cancel ticket is available, right? I mentioned. For example, I mentioned as in, I write was my identifier name as in, guys, small letter, capital letter, your choice. Cancel ticket. Whether you use small or capital letter, doesn't matter. You can use anything, no problem. So I mentioned what is cancel ticket like this. Cancel ticket like this. Guys, now is it valid? You can take any name, that doesn't matter, but it is invalid. Why it is invalid, guys? The reason is what? Reason is space. Invalid because of the space. It doesn't accept any space. If you are giving spacer, doesn't accept. Capital, smaller, your choice. You can use anything, no problem at all. But no spaces. That is the first rule. Remember, first rule. The rule number 2. Rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? In the sense, it doesn't accept any special characters except underscore and dollar. Except underscore and dollar, you are not supposed to use any other special characters, guys. Except underscore and dollar, you are not supposed to mention any other symbols. Okay, means cancel adder. For example, I want to write cancel adder. Yes, you can write cancel. If I write plus or ticket, guys, observe this is invalid. If I mention cancel adder, this is, sorry, cancel ticket, this is invalid. Why? The reason is, special character. What is the special character? Plus symbol is available, right? Not accepted, right? plus. That's why not accepted. If you want, we can write, you can mention cancel underscore ticket accepted. Otherwise, cancel ticket dollar accepted. Otherwise, underscore cancel dollar ticket underscore accepted. No problem. In all the cases accepted, guys. Observe, because underscore dollar no problem. Underscore dollar in all these cases, in all the cases, no issues. Happily it is valid. Happily it is valid, no problem at all. Happily it is valid, no problem at all. Why? Because no special character except underscore and dollar. This is your second rule. This is what your second rule. Guys, is the second rule is clear for everyone? Is it the rule is clear? Good. So underscore dollar only accepted, except that if you have any other symbol not accepted. Oh, fine, good. Other the third rule is, the third rule is it doesn't accept observe, it doesn't accept any keyword as an identifier. Guys, observe, I want to give the keyword name as an identifier name. No, not at all. It never accepted keyword name as an identifier name. Keyword name as an identifier name. For example, I mentioned import. For example, I mentioned what, guys? Import. Now observe, guys, import is what? Import is a keyword, right? Starting we observe package import. Observe, import is what? Import is a keyword, right? This import has a special meaning, sir. So that is a predefined word. Java providing this name. Java already using this name. So you are unable to use this name because Java already using that name. Because of the reason you are unable to access it. The reason, it is a keyword. The reason is what? It is a keyword. The reason it is keyword. Keywords are not accepted. Keywords are not accepted. That is the third rule, guys. Observe the fourth rule. Observe the fourth rule, guys. First character should be either underscore or either alphabet or underscore or dollar. Remember, guys, so first character should be either one of these, guys. It may be an alphabet or it may be an underscore, it may be an dollar. Except this means first character is number, not accepted. Except these two symbols, any other symbols are not accepted. For example, I mentioned what? Second class. Guys, observe here, second class. Here, what is the first character, guys? Is it alphabet? Is it underscore? Is it dollar? What is the first character? Number. Means our rule is violated, right? As far as our rule is violated, right? Whenever our rule is violated, then it is not accepted. it violated our rule, so it is not accepted. The reason is what? First character is number, so it is invalid. First character is what? Is number, that's why it is invalid. Now I'm writing here, instead of this one I mentioned what, guys? Class 2. Guys, now is it valid or invalid? Class 2, valid or invalid? Someone said invalid. Why invalid? Krishka Raj, why invalid? Krishka Raj, why it is invalid? Here, is it class or class 2? What is the name? Then class 2 is different from class, right? Is it both are same? Even one letter change, the name is changed, right? Even if you change one letter, the name, entire name is changed, right? So remember here, this is 100% valid name, no problem. Guys, remember class is keyword, but this is not a class, this is class 2. The name is class 2, so 100% valid. I'm writing one more, guys, one more example. Area to town. I write area to town. Is it valid or invalid? Area to town, valid or invalid? Yes. 100% it is what? 100% it is what? Valid. 100% it is valid. And one more, guys, one more. I'm writing for. Valid or invalid? For. Once check your keywords. Once check the keywords. For. Pratiksha, any questions? Ping me. $24, $95, $70. Any questions? $24, $95, $75. Are you following? Observe clearly. For what I mentioned in our program, in our program, what is our name? For. What is our name? For. Valid or invalid? Check clearly. For. Observe here, small for is a keyword. Here capital F, right? All keywords are in lowercase, but it is what, guys? Capital letter, right? So 200%, not 100 also. 200%, it is what? 200% it is what? valid, no problem at all. 200% it is valid, no problem at all. Clear guys? Fine, good. Uh, for you guys, I'm going to give you one small task. Guys, these are the 4 rules guys. You have to follow these 4 rules. What are the 4 rules? It doesn't accept any spaces. It doesn't accept any special characters except underscore and dollar. It doesn't accept any keyword as an identifier. First character should be either alphabet or underscore or dollar. These are the 4 rules which we have guys. These are the 4 rules which we have. Fine. And for you, I will show you some names guys. You have to identify whether it is a valid or invalid guys. I'll show you some names. Your task is what? You have to identify whether it is a valid or invalid. That is your task guys. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes time guys. I will show you.